There's a lot going on right now, and a lot it's being driven by our president, Donald Trump. You need to understand Donald if you want to understand what's going on. The most important thing to Donald is when he leaves office in 4 years is that you say America is great again. Donald was the best president the United States ever had. And what will determine whether you say that or not is probably has a lot to do with your investments. So as your investments tanked and you lost probably 20% of what your portfolio was worth a month ago, you said, Donald's not doing such a good job. So the most important thing to him right now as a gentleman in his 70s is that I am remembered, Donald is remembered as the best president ever to be in the United States. So that is his objective, and he will see to it that that happens. With that in mind, we can now go forward and invest and recognize that what is happening, the drawdown of the market, which is misery, which is pain, which is suffering, is what Donald is going to recover you from. He is going to magically make that go away and your portfolio to reach new highs by the time he leaves office. I believe he'll get it done by July 1st, June 27th, somewhere in that area as we move forward. Now, what is causing the problems? The problems are caused by his levying tariffs on other nations. You need to understand tariffs. I understand tariffs because back in 2011, I wrote a book. I wrote a book called The Christmas Web. I designed this cover. I designed the box. I wrote the book. I had it produced. I created these spindles, which are blown plastic with 70 yards of yarn ran around them. And I took them to a local toy maker and I said, I need to have this made here in the United States. He said, you have about 7 processes involved there, which will involve probably 7 manufacturers who are all located in different parts of the country. And it's going to cost you somewhere between $50 and $60 a piece to produce one of these. He says, and he wrote a name down. It said Jackie. And Jackie, he gave me an email address and he says, contact Jackie. Jackie, I never met. Jackie lived somewhere in China. I don't know if Jackie is a he or a she. And I sent the information. Jackie said, send me your mock-up and I'll get back to you. In 2 weeks, Jackie got back to me and said, I can produce that and deliver it to your distribution center in Atlanta for $10 a box. I said, okay. It was done. It was shipped from China to Los Angeles. When it hit the port in Los Angeles, I was notified by the U.S. government that you owe us a tariff on bringing this product into the country. Write us a check for $1,700. Now, my whole bill to have this done, 5,000 of them at $10 a box, was $50,000. My tariff was 4.25%. I wrote it, didn't give it a thought, didn't change the price on the box, absorbed it, and went on. Now, what Donald has said is that if I had done this now in 2025, my tariff would have been $12.50 per box. So in other words, my price of bringing it in would have more than doubled it. Who would that have affected? Would that have affected China? No. Would it have affected Jackie? No. Would it have affected the United States? Yes. They would have collected $12,500 from me for bringing these into the country. It doesn't hurt China that there's going to be a 125% tariff on the iPhone. It hurts Tim Cook. It doesn't hurt Nike, or it doesn't hurt China. Will go up substantially. It hurts Nike. That's who Donald's negotiating with. He's not negotiating with China. He's negotiating with Tim Cook. He's negotiating with Tonka Toys because that's who's going to pay the tariff. Now, will that happen? No way. No way will that happen. So but you are feeling the pain. And Donald wants you to feel the pain because he wants you to believe he is the doctor that is going to make that pain go away. Tim Cook will make that pain go away. Tim Cook will negotiate with Donald to make sure. So will Jaffe from Amazon. Amazon buys products to go into their offerings that are made by U.S. companies that has their manufacturing done in China. Tonka Truck is not is a U.S. company out of Florida that will pay that tariff, not China. So he will solve the problem for you. Donald will, because it's the most important thing to him. That when he leaves office, you say, that is the most important president that we have ever had. He changed our world. He will, and you will believe it. But it's not from where we were 8 months ago. It's from where we are today. This was manufactured so that you will perceive that Donald was the best president these United States have ever had. Now, he's laying off a bunch of federal workers. That represents less than 17% of the U.S. budget. So it's not a big thing. What the big thing is that we get into an agreement with countries like Canada and Mexico that we have our manufacturing done in those countries and we interchange our goods and services at the price that we, the customer, we, the consumer, are comfortable with. The other things that are important is this issue about Greenland. They have rare earth elements. So does Ukraine. These are things that we need as we move forward. You don't really recognize them because you aren't involved in them. But you are going to be the one who makes the decision. Who is the best president the United States has ever had? That's what's important to Donald. He's got to bring you to fear, to anxiety, to where I'm going to go broke. I am not going to be able to put food on my table. And then all of a sudden, all that pain and suffering is gone. And he'll stand before us and say, see, I told you, I am the best thing that has ever happened to the United States. If you believe that, then you're buying. You did what I told you to do around the first of the year and liquidated at least 50% of your portfolio and went to cash. And as the market crashed, you bought those stocks that are the most depressed from their 52-week high and built your portfolio on those stocks that I have shared with you that are going to have over 120% return on what their price is today between now and January the 1st, 2028. That's what this is all about. This is the pandemic all over again. A manufactured event to bring the market down so that some people can make more money. Now, do I believe that the coronavirus was manufactured? No, but it's going to happen the same way. Will it all turn around in 30, 45 days? No, but it might. You saw what happened yesterday. It could. And when it does, you and I will say, my God, our country has needed this for a long time. Donald's the best president we've ever had. That man needs our approval, you and I's approval. This is the most important thing to him. He is very insecure. Without your approval, he is nothing. It is extremely important to him. That's why he is how he is. He needs your approval. The only way he can get it is make you miserable for as short a period of time as he can, and then he comes in on his white horse and saves you. That's his modus operandi. If you'll recognize that, if you'll keep that in your mind, and if you'll take advantage of it, you'll make more money in the next 2.5 years than you ever have in your lifetime. I believe that. I believe it's going to happen to me. I have positioned myself such. I have identified the stocks that are in the biggest change in our world, that's AI, who are going to benefit from building the infrastructure, data centers, semiconductors, and then who are going to deliver that AI to me in a form that is going to make my life better, whether it be in analysis of data or robotics or manufacturing, whatever, it's going to change my life. And Donald got lucky. He came into office as this was about to explode, but he sucked it down so the explosion is multiplied by 3x. All right? I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm a retired financial advisor. I love trying to figure this out, and I think I have figured it out. Not only who Donald is and what he's all about and what his objective is and what he is manipulating or structuring to make our world a better place, but also understanding his personality. Why do I understand his personality? I hate to admit it, but I need approval too. It's very important to me. I need your approval. It all has to do with the first 14 years of my life. I suspect it all has something to do with the first 14 years of Donald's life as well. But I'll never get into that. I don't think he'll ever share that. But understand who he is, understand what his motives are, understand what his objectives are, and then align your portfolio to benefit from it. And then tie into that the biggest change in our world in history. Artificial intelligence driven by semiconductors housed in data centers accessing data. If you'll understand that, put all this together, you're going to win this game. Now, I do the analysis for my portfolio on my website, bestofusinvestors.com. I spend my money to access the data, access the AI, the compute, and I'm willing to share it with you. Okay? You have to make a decision if it's worth $29.95 a month. That's your decision. My decision is I know at what price I want to buy every stock I own, and I'm just waiting for Donald to deliver it to me. He delivered it to me 2 days ago. Then he rewarded me. Then he took some back. I suspect he might take some more back, and I'll buy some more. I've still got about 100 grand waiting to buy. So Donald, deliver me some lower prices before we go for new heights.